Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to switch your TikTok account to business account. Please subscribe if you didn't, and let's get started. First, open your TikTok app. Then click on the three lines up right and go on settings and privacy. Then click on manage account. Then click on switch to business account. Then click on next. Then choose your profession. Maybe I will choose art and craft. Click next. I'm gonna skip, and this is it. This is how to change your TikTok account to business account. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you're new, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.